It is well known that carbon dioxide has an influential role in our atmosphere. One thing that is often overlooked, though, is the effect that agriculture has on our environment, particularly the effects of animal farming. One of the largest producers is cows. Driving this is factory farming, which farms as many animals as quickly as possible, often inefficiently. By eating less meat, we can reduce our negative impact on the environment. When a cow eats food, such as grass or grain, its digestive system immediately begins working on digesting it. Then, hydrogen and carbon dioxide is released from the cow's body, which creates methane. The methane is significantly more impactful on the environment than carbon dioxide. The only reason why there are so many cows to begin with is because of the high demand for meat, especially in the United States. The United States alone is responsible for the production of nearly 25 billion pounds of meat, 23 billion pounds of pork, 6 billion pounds of turkey, and 38 billion pounds of chicken annually. To produce all of this, factory farm breed these animals at unsustainable amounts, resulting in a large amount of greenhouse gases. A single cow can produce up to 120 kilograms of methane every year. This may not seem like a lot until you consider that 1 kilogram of methane has the same effects as 21 kilograms of carbon dioxide. This means that 120 kilograms of methane has the same effect as 2,520 kilograms of carbon dioxide. To put that into comparison, you could drive 2,500 miles across the entire United States in a car, getting only 10 miles per gallon of fuel, and the cow over a course of a year would still have a larger impact. Multiply this by the millions of cows raised and slaughtered every year, and it quickly becomes evident why agriculture has a greater impact worldwide than all forms of transportation combined. To limit this, we can limit our meat consumption. By eating less meat, it discourages farmers from breeding animals at their current amounts. By cutting a small amount of meat from our daily diet, the earth will benefit. After all, why produce more cows when people aren't going to eat them? In conclusion, methane that is produced by the agricultural industry is one of the most dangerous and overlooked threats to our environment. If we continue with our current trends, we will be on the path to environmental catastrophe. Although we most heavily associate global warming with the things that we most clearly sense, like the smell of fire and the sound of a running engine, recognizing the impact of animal agriculture is essential to successfully combating global warming.